Before our ancestors named the Sepik, there was only water. And beneath those ancient waters lived one mighty guardian, Sukundimi, the king of all river creatures.
Darkness covered every valley, no guiding spirit's hand. Then beneath the silent waters, something ancient rose so high. Eyes like fire, scales like mountains, watching earth and sky. With his mighty tail he carved the river, every bend we see today. Every lake and hidden channel marked the place where Sukundimi lay. Guardian of the Sepik, king beneath the flowing tide, keeper of the river's heartbeat, watching every human life. Bless the forest, bless the waters, bless the people living here. When we walk with truth and kindness, there is nothing left to fear.
Children, respect the river, respect each other. Never let greed become your chief. The river remembers.
Sukundimi is always watching. When the people share together, fish filled every waiting net. Children laugh beside the waters, no one lived with deep regret. But when lies replaced compassion, brother fought with brother's hand. Greed consumed the hearts of many, darkness settled on the land. The fish disappeared from the river, storm clouds gathered in the sky. Floods and silence warn the people, justice never passes by.
Across the sea came strangers,
carrying a different light.
They spoke of one creator,
of Jesus Christ.
The elders listened quietly.
Then one old man smiled.
The creator loves every nation.
Our fathers taught us
to honor the river.
You teach us to honor the creator.
Perhaps both can remind us
to protect this land and love one another. We honor our ancestors, we honor God's love. The Sepik still carries the stories above the river. The river gives life, the creator gives hope. Together they teach us how people should grow.
Sukundimi,
guardian, remember
the river
forever will sing,
protecting creation,
protecting the people, watching everything.
The Sepik still flows. The crocodiles still swim. The stories still live. Some remember Sukundimi. Some pray to God.
Many do both with respect. honoring the wisdom of their ancestors, while following the faith they have embraced. As long as the Sepik River reaches the sea, the story will never die.
Sukundimi,
Guardian,
protector.
forever remember.
Sukundimi, Sukundimi,